Hi, today I'll show you how an app called InControl works. The InControl app is a lightweight software utility designed to provide more control over the update and upgrade process in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Aiming to keep things as simple as possible, this utility requires no installation and is up and running as soon as you want. Double-click the main executable file. The one-window interface includes more text than options, explaining what the state of the control is and what this application does. The initial status is displayed in red, letting you know that operating system updates are not under your control. In other words, Windows is now able to install updates or update itself without your permission. Taking control of Windows updates and update attempts is a matter of pressing a button. You will notice that the status changes automatically. InControl displays the current Windows version and release number in the two editable fields in the left corner. Why are they important, you may ask? InControl takes care of the update and upgrade process by targeting a specific major version and release, exactly as specified in the editable fields. To put it another way, when you take control, make sure that the major version and feature version in the editable fields are the ones you want the system to keep. No new versions will be installed without your consent, other than monthly security updates until you decide to release control. Although simple and rather lightweight, InControl is an application that can help you gain better control over system upgrade and update operations. Please note that the app will remain faithful to the Windows version in editable fields even if no longer supported, allowing you to decide when to install newly released versions. See you next video.